This is the way we pick up toys. Pick up toys, pick up toys. This is the way we pick up toys and make the room look nice. Clean up, everyone. Picking up is so much fun. Put them here and put them there. Show your toys how much you care. Blocks in the box and cars in line. Dolls on the shelf, they're feeling fine. Step by step and bit by bit, every toy has a place to sit. When we help and do our part, cleaning is a piece of art. Working together every day helps the mess all fade away. Cleaning up, everyone, picking up is so much fun. Now our room be shining bright, great job, we did it right.